A guide you to open YouTube audio library on phone. For that, let's hop into the Chrome first, and you can select any of the web browser that you are comfortable with, and you need to type for YouTube Studio, and it will take you to the page where you can access your audio library of YouTube. And from here, it will take you to the page of YouTube library. From there, you need to tap on three dots for accessing the desktop side, and from here it will give the access of desktop side. From there you can access it well. And let's say if you zoom in like this, and there you can tap on three lines. Here you could see the audio library is just below the customization in the list of options, and it is very below. You can tap on that. From here it will show you all the list of audios that are available in the YouTube across your channel, or otherwise they'll recommend you for these audios. And let's say if you need to download any of the audio from there, I'm tapping on little thing here, so you could see I can scroll in that little thing, and from there you could find the download option by tapping on that. Here I am tapping on download. In the very top, you could see that file has been downloaded. I can open through the Google Drive or from the files, and from there you can tap on that audio and you can attach it. You can attach it to any of the video that you want. This is how you open YouTube audio library on phone. Thank you.